we're just wondering about how concerned real people are about what's going on in Greece.
I think everyone should be concerned. The things that happen in our neighbourhood impact all of us, and the kind of financial changes that could occur in that country could have knock-on effects that have far-reaching consequences for all of us here in Europe.
As a European and as a citizen of Europe and the world, I think we should all be concerned, especially on the structure of the European Union.
I don't think particularly. I think people only really see Greece as a holiday destination unless you originated from there and you're actually living here. People that I've spoken to don't necessarily bring it up in conversation, to be honest.
I find it really interesting that there has been a call for a referendum, because that basically means that the people officially are saying something as opposed to the politicians actually working out a deal amongst themselves. And it could really be something that then later on is used as like proof, like, okay, the people said yes or no. So it sort of becomes like an official thing that is being used then later on in the negotiations. So I definitely think this could be like a turning point, and it's a really interesting thing that is happening at the moment.
The breakdown shows that obviously a lot of the lenders are sort of Euro countries, so the effect might not be as well felt here as it is across Europe. But it should be of concern. I mean, ultimately, the measures that will have to be put in place for Greece, assuming there's going to be a restructure of the debt, is going to cause serious problems to their economy, and that will have an impact on us ultimately with trade, with tourism, of course, etc., etc.
I mean, we go over there for holidays, don't we? So it's the amount of money we have to spend to go over there and finance our holidays.
It will be cheaper if they leave.
A lot cheaper, possibly. Yes, that's right. So on the tourist industry, also in their country, it's going to affect them economically quite a lot.
Well, I used to live in Greece and have lots of Greek friends, and any outcome that would be bad for the Greek people would be devastating.
From a social point of view, with all of the things that are going on in other parts of the world, social unrest in Europe isn't to be something that anybody would want, but I think the fact that people could lose all of their savings is something that everybody can align to.
I think if I was living there and my heritage was obviously Greek, I would be worried. I would definitely be worried, especially if tourism was my main source of income into the country, definitely.